Filigrano Aridi. In addition to the classic drawer system, these Italian kitchens differ from their analogues by the use of remote control. With the help of a small control, the user can open and close the doors and, depending on the kitchen model, turn on the light. Also worth noting is the unique system that allows the user to close the top cabinets with the help of buttons located inside, avoiding the user any inconvenience. Another interesting innovation is the lower drawers, which can be accessed by touching a certain area with your foot. This function is perfect not only for people who cannot bend over, but also for those who are used to working quickly and don't want to waste time on unnecessary movements. Smart kitchen solutions. Although kitchen islands are often installed on relatively large rooms, they're also used to save space. For example, a pull-out table can be placed inside the furniture and can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people. Also worth mentioning is the top panel, which serves as a bar. With the help of strong anchors, it moves to the side, opening the cooking hob and giving easy access to all the drawers. Team 7. Team 7 modular kitchens are made of natural wood, which gives them strength and high stability. Thanks to the combination of black frosted glass with smoke and solid wood, the Black Line kitchen stands out for its special style. In the closed version, all the glass elements resemble glass cabinets, allowing not only decorative elements to be placed behind them, but also plates, without worrying about them being filled with dust. It should be noted that the frame of this kitchen, as well as that of other models, is made of glued wood, and 3-layer panels are used for the facades in a stable manner. Thanks to its heterogeneity, the Linee kitchen is the ideal solution for any type of residence. The different configurations allow the user to design an individual kitchen according to his or her taste. Depending on the customer's wishes, it can be a classic kitchen consisting of wall units, or a modern kitchen with an island. In addition, Linee kitchens with many innovative features are very convenient to use. Drawers and doors open with a light touch, and the natural wood hides the sockets. Natural wood and ceramics make the design of the Foligno kitchen particularly refined and create an organic combination between a work area and the dining room. The front part of the kitchen island serves as a sideboard, while a semi-pendant work unit made of ceramic represents the functional side of the structure. Different heights, as well as the use of various materials, emphasize the clarity of the gradation, while blurring the boundaries within the residential space. The central part of the K7 kitchen is an island with a continuous height adjustment from 74 to 114 centimeters, which allows the user to adjust the work surface to his needs in accordance with all ergonomic rules. The lifting unit is a development patented by Team 7, which operates almost silently and has a GS safety certificate. The wall panel in the kitchen K7 also deserves attention. For example, at first glance, it appears to have no handles. But the facades are equipped with a special pendulum handle hidden by the designers behind the metal strip. Kitchu. Having little space in the kitchen of your apartment can be a real problem, because if you want to place everything you need, you won't have any space left. One possible solution in this situation is the installation of a compact kitchen, for example from the French company Kitchu. Almost all of these kitchens are equipped with a stove, a refrigerator, a microwave, a telescopic tap with a sink, a garbage can, and a dishwasher. all of which occupy a space equal to the volume of a small chest of drawers. The designers of these kitchens calculated down to the smallest detail. For example, thanks to the absence of handles, the user will not end up with the bruises that normally appear when cooking in a small space. In addition, all cabinets and shelves are as accessible as possible and close and open quietly. According to the creators, everything in the kitchen is made for the customer's comfort. Scratch-resistant worktops, stove with heating plate and sink. It's even possible to choose the color of the kitchen. Avivi Smart Kitchen. The Israeli company Avivi Kitchens has been creating stylish kitchens and bathrooms according to the needs and tastes of its customers for more than 4 decades. All this following one of the most popular contemporary ideas, saving space thanks to intelligent technologies. Instead of bulky furniture to equip the kitchen, Avivi Kitchens uses sliding pieces, combining, for example, the work surface with a stove. Since the latter is not always necessary, it can be located under the panel without taking up too much space. It also has a positive effect on safety, especially if there are small children or pets in the house. Another important part of this project is the sliding folding doors that completely conceal the platform with plates and ovens when you need them. Therefore, the cleanliness and minimalist decoration make the space brighter and more airy. Midea Smart Kitchen. The Chinese company Midea, which specializes mainly in the production of household appliances, introduced the concept of a smart kitchen fully controlled from a smartphone or tablet. Thanks to the built-in electronics which are installed on almost all components of the kitchen set, the user can adjust the air and water temperature in the kitchen, as well as remotely open and close the drawers. The smart refrigerator will warn the user about products that need replenishment and the expiration date. A special system installed inside the oven will not only notify the person who forgot to turn off the equipment, but will also leave the dish ready independently, detecting it with the help of sensors or simply turning it off after the timer is triggered. Therefore, the owner of the smart kitchen can count on real help in many everyday matters. Richelieu Kitchen Solutions. The modern development of technology makes it possible not only to create transformable furniture, integrating a folding table and a bench into the kitchen, but also to solve many familiar everyday problems. With the help of a special system, the modern kitchen is now available for people of any height, age, and level of mobility. Because to reach the top shelves, it's not necessary to ask for help or use additional furniture. It's also worth noting the drawers that save a lot of space in the kitchen and move smoothly thanks to modern mechanisms.